Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a Viber account. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So now let's just get started with it and just follow me guys. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your chat, just go to Viber and then search for the account that you want to delete. So let me just have one account like something I have. Let's say, okay, I'll go with this one. And then what you need to do is just go to the account and then just go to your profile, and then all the way down there you'll be having option which says delete this chat, or you have something like clear chat content. You can select either both. So let me just go with this one, share chat content, and then go to delete this chat, delete it, and then the account will be deleted like this. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.